Hi, in this video we will see the use of how to use while loop in Python. With no further ado, let me go into the program. So let's say I want to print a number 1. So I can simply put the number 1 inside the print function and I'm going to print 1. Now say that I want to print from 1 to 10. So for the beginners, you can just copy paste the print function like n times to print that many times. So let's say I'm using it 4 times and I'm going to print, yeah. So I'm going to print 4 from 1 to 4 using the print function. But a good programmer would not be using print this many times to pass the number in it and print it like this, like you manually put the number in it and then it is printing. So this is not the ideal way to actually use the Python language to print numbers. So ideally what people will be doing is they will use a loop. So a loop, what is a loop is basically, you can say you're going to use a loop when you wanted to execute something that is going to repeatedly happen. So for example, here repeatedly I'm going to print, which I know. I'm repeatedly printing a number, I know, and I'm repeatedly printing the number which is in this sequence. So if something is going to be repetitive, I can use a loop. And one such loop that will help me to do such thing is while loop. So how will I be able to achieve that? Is let's see how the while loop works. So for example, let's initialize the I with 1 and let's use a while loop and say that I want to print from numbers from 1 to 10. Put a colon. So I need the number to start from 1 and I want it to be till 10 and I want to print the I. And what I do is, so your I while loop will need some condition. And here my condition is until the I is going to be less than or equal to 10. This is my condition. And how it is going to have the, it needs an iteration so that the I will get incremented. I plus is equals to 1. So basically what I'm trying to say here is, instead of printing the print using the print function multiple times and passing the I, this while loop is going to simplify that for me. So while loop is going to work based on the condition that it takes. So here my condition that I'm passing is I need the I to be less than or equal to 10, and this I is going to get, so it is going to first, it is going to print me the I from here. So here it is taking starting with 1, so it comes here. 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yeah, 1 is less than 10. So it prints 1 first. And it in the next line, it sees I plus is equals to 1, which means it's, so it will increase the 1 to 2. So it comes here. Your I is going to be 2. 2 is less than or equal to 10. So it basically increments it until the value is going to become 10. So let's run this program. So this will be the one of the usage why you need while loop. Instead of repeatedly doing the same things again and again, if you use while loop, it will be able to execute a set of instruction based on the conditions that you wanted to pass inside it. So that is it about while loop. Thank you.